Hello guys, welcome to Ihor from Canada and welcome to St. Vital Park. I'm just testing out my new Action 5 Pro camera using mini mic and came to the park here to make a beautiful video and share how it looks like. The best time of the year here in Canada is springtime. Actually, it's very hot today and we'll test everything. We'll test the camera and I'll show you beautiful sceneries here. So come on, join me. Check out this beautiful tree blooming. Smells good. Another one. Excellent. And here's the one that's getting old. Almost dead, just a couple of branches still alive, but check out those. They look awesome. Nice, beautiful. And inside, under the cover, you can book a room here in case it's raining, you have birthday party or anything's happening. And here they are. I'm not sure if they have some service too or just people booking, I have no idea. I will ask, maybe read later. And here, more views here. Little lake here, ducks and geese, and maybe some fish inside there, who knows. It was cold and suddenly became very hot. Today we had only 33 degrees Celsius, yesterday was 34, even more in some areas. Look at that. Well, after my equipment was stolen from my truck, I had Action 4 and I had Pocket 3 DJI, both cameras. Both had good quality, different purposes. Somehow I took more videos with Action 4, not sure why. And I was thinking about if I replace the camera at some point what I'm gonna get. Pocket 4, Action 6, or something else. Actually, I was leaning towards Action 4. It was a lot cheaper and you would not even tell the difference in price. But here I got on this Action 5 Pro, good price, $449. And I have the batteries and stuff left over because they stole the camera, but they didn't shop for any other things. Oh, here are the little geese or ducklings, I don't know, ducks maybe. Hey, yeah, little ducklings. Hey, what's up? What's up, duck? Many of them, wow. I guess it's like two families here. Well, continue on with my things. And I just got this. And I'm connecting my mini mics, DJIs, with this thing. And I used them before. Before I had also Nivir wireless microphone, but they stole that. It was kinda... And this I bought on sale, special, was very cheap, 40 bucks I bought those mics. That's why I bought them. And I can connect them with the phone, I can connect them with anywhere without any adaptation upstairs. So, let's go around. It was supposed to rain, looks like, smells like rain, but not yet. Guys, if I can transfer the smells here, wow. And the views, amazing flowers here. Well, I'm still looking for to get maybe some filters, but hopefully today it's not so sunny. I don't need any filters yet, but I will shop on Amazon and get some filters. I want the videos have deeper, better quality. Looks like with filters they would be better. Yeah. And something here. To be honest with you, I didn't know that this camera has internal memory. And my old memory card didn't want to work. It says my old memory card is too slow because the technology is going up and memory cards need faster speed. So I had to go and purchase a new memory card, but I couldn't unpack it yet because I need proper cutters. I don't want to damage it. And then I said, well, I have a memory, internal memory here, 50 gigabytes. Probably it's going to be good enough for this video. And I will transfer later to my phone and go here. Trying to see where the river is. I guess the river is probably right there. And here is the beautiful Red River. Almost everything green. Not quite yet. Still not everything fully green, but the bushes and everything looks beautiful there. It's a nice big park here. Many people come over after work, and even they bring their food with them and sit down and relax, you know, instead of going back home. Some guys fishing on the other side. I'm not sure, probably won't be able to see it because this camera is technically zoomless. Well, it's a zoom 1 plus, but not much. You see, I got the longer stick. With that stick, looks better, I hope, on the video. Because if I hold the camera very close to me, it doesn't look, it just looks my face in it on the TV. But now I'm learning, I'm looking at other vloggers, what they do. And most of them have, you know, longer sticks. You can see more and more around. Plus, you don't have to be yelling as you have a microphone right there. And the winds, other noises, go far away. You always can talk softly and everything still sounds great. Can you hear the birds? You probably can. See? Let's go to the flower garden. Well, not many flowers planted yet. Maybe will be more in the future. Carlos Path. Remembering Luke McKay. Grief is love. Somebody donated for this park, this rock. And I feel The rain is spitting here. Wow, nice. Check this out, guys. Little tiny spots, fruits coming out. Fresh. Wow, great. See how the piney growing up. More of them growing up. See. These flowers are beautiful. And more geese. Everywhere, ducks and geese. And I hope everything works out good for me. Now we can go somewhere to the lake. Can see maybe different places. I'll see how this camera works at night. Maybe I can go Winnipeg downtown at night. I know the new Action 6 works better, what they said, but I still know that Action 4 worked better than I used both GoPro 11 and I believe I had better results for night shooting with my Action 4. Just adjusted my digital zoom. I'm coming closer to the birds here. We have some geese, some ducks, and I want to see if there is a big difference. Nice and quiet, 30 degrees Celsius, and it's 6:30 evening now. Well, it looks like I have a lot of battery. Not sure how much memory I have because the hard drive or internal memory, airplane. Internal memory is only 50 gigabytes on this one, so we'll see. And you can ask if you like to subscribe, like it, share it. I would really appreciate it. Maybe I'll get more views, maybe not. But main thing for me is for myself. Making memories for myself. Look on my background there. Super. But I would really appreciate if somebody would join me. Alright, take care. See you later, guys. I'll be back with more videos. Maybe more on a regular basis, maybe a few times per week, maybe more, we'll see. If I'm in the mood, I'll make more of them. Take care, see you later. See you at the next one. Take care, bye-bye.